Right, our woodwork shop tour. This is my dad's old dining room. It's a little workstation. Everything you need on there. In this corner we have a metal lathe and a little project my son's working on. Bit of storage. Excuse the dodgy shelving. And then here are my father's tools. Some of them he got from my grandfather, his father. And behind that is actually a air gun cabinet. Another belt sander, you can never have too many. A bit of storage. Here we go, our main desk. My dad's beast of a voice. Another little toolbox full of stuff that we never use. Who wants a thicknesser? Don't know. We got one though. Loads of other bits. My area, a few projects I'm working on. My toolbox. My granddad. Got some of his tools. Over here we have our router table, which pulls out. Also flips up, so it's easier to change the bit. Up there we have our wood lathe, loads more storage, loads of clamps. There we go. It measures about, I think it's about 10 by 10. So we haven't got any more space. Oh, under there we have a welder. Because everyone loves welding in their dining room. There you go. Bye bye.